Actually, software is a lot like apples. That's how it all started. You know, apply, applish. Have you ever thought, I bet we could do more with less, with smaller amounts, of blood?
What the hell is this? I didn't order an apple. I just woke up. Now I'm supposed to be responsible for this apple? I tell every new hire that I am Ashur Nasirpal, king of the world. I stormed the mountain peaks and took them. In the midst of the...
Okay, here I go. 3.1415926535983587364 type 977343039. Want to see a magic trick? Oh, hello, cat! Like and subscribe. Oh, hello, cats. Meow. Meow. Like and subscribe. And this is what we will do to tldraw. Was there supposed to be an eclipse today?
Meet our new edible AI assistant. tldraw.com is a free, very good free whiteboard. It's good, very good.
And free.
Very free.
Inside every tldraw apple, billions of tiny people just like me are born, work, fall in love, reproduce, and die, just to make your day as delicious as possible. We use advanced AIs to create apples that not just taste great, but are capable of thoughts and desires. And don't worry, the apples are aligned.
Well, my founder origin story is quite short. I was assembled out of the remaining parts of lesser founders, each of whom had failed my investors in one way or another.